and welcome. Pleasure to have you here. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers and tell us what brought you to Swiss Medica?
Thank you. I'm Vladimir Lazarov. I have some problem with arthritis, osteoarthritis. This is because of sport, many different sport during the years. I'm already 60 years old.
We would never tell. Look.
Thank you for this.
Sport at least did some good for the face, right?
I have in the knee problem since 2017. 2018 I start treatment with PRL and PRP, which is okay for the knees, but after COVID start very painful in my hips, and I decide to do something because after checking my body through MRI and Röntgen, the doctors declare that maybe my future will be with changing the ligaments and
tendons and
and I decide to make some prevention and start looking for. Actually, many years ago, I was here for stem cell therapy. Start looking for the best clinics in Europe, and actually, ChatGPT show me three clinics in Switzerland, one in Germany, and 2-3 clinics in Turkey. For his suggestion, I check all of them for their actually for what how they treated for different their styles for working with the patients, and I decide and choose Swiss Medica. They offer for me 2 of the clinics. One is in Serbia, Belgrade, which I'm here now. Second one was in Slovenia. Belgrade is 4 hours by car from me, or 1 hour by plane, and both was very good. My language, original language, is similar to my Serbian brothers, and for me it was very easy to choose. And after exchange the information from my doctors with the clinics, and after consultation with the clinics, I decide to come here.
What did your doctor tell you when you told him that you're about to do stem cell therapy? Did you tell your doctor that you were about to receive stem cells?
Actually, classical doctor not suggest stem cells because no proven, because no insurance coverage, many things which is not fully how to say setting up. And most of the people not. But my experience with the classical medicine is just helping until some time, and after sometimes after some development of the illness, cannot help, just covering the pain. And my decision was that I need to prevent and to try to prevent. Otherwise, 2-3 of my good friends, which we was training before, already changed their hips, and some of them not feel okay, some of them okay, of course, but everybody, I prefer to not have operation, if possible, to stop the process. And this was my decision to come for stem cell therapy.
What did your friends that did surgery and had problems, what did they tell? What kind of...
2-3 of my friends make surgery in Bulgaria. One of them in United Arab Emirates. These 4 people already with batterica.
Like sticks?
Yeah, not proper. My best friend in Dubai, in November, he make very expensive surgery actually in Dubai. He is very good. Only he from my close friends which make surgery, he is good. He not have problem training, play tennis, court tennis, swimming, everything, jogging, no problem. But another 4 people, 3 in Bulgaria, also another in Dubai, they still have problem. Kucat, ne znam, I don't know how is the English word. Not proper.
You can say Bulgarian, it's okay.
Kucam.
Can you describe us what you feel? Do you have constant pain, like every day, or when you like exercise too much? Your problems with knees and hips, how did they show?
I understand the question. Usually, in the beginning, just I have pain in the knee when during the sport. Unfortunately, my left leg losing control and very painful. After start pain when wake up in the morning, I need 5 to 10 minutes to make some exercise to stop pain. Otherwise, no problem. Actually, for me, arthrosis is the maybe first, second stage, maximum third, some places. And actually, even in the hip, same was morning when I wake up, have some pain after making small exercise to start blood circulation, no painful, especially during the training and sport. After start PRP therapy, stop in the knee, but after big training, sometimes 2-3 hours, next day in the morning, little too much difficult. Need to recover, to make blood circulation to start.
How did you, you wanted to try stem cells before going to surgery. Were you worried or scared about anything of the stem cells? What was your research behind the stem cells? How did you discover it?
Actually, I know for stem cells since there was actually first time scientists say to them, actually first data for stem cells was from Russia. Actually, even during the communist time, Soviet Union that time, I was hear about stem cells possibilities to recover the body, to recover the special injured things in the body, and I actually followed how the science and people who doing cells, stem cells, and this исследовать, researching the stem cells. I have actually all the time I'm almost in the what coming like.
You were in the loop. You knew the news about stem cells.
Yeah, always I'm follow the news about stem cells since the beginning. Already maybe 40, 50 years, almost 50 years.
That's really cool. That's really cool. Never had patient that followed stem cells for that long. So far, you finished the treatment. You had a physiotherapy here. Does physiotherapy here is different from physiotherapy you might have in Bulgaria or Emirates? Could you compare those two?
Actually, especially for physiotherapy, I have my own. And in my own therapy, instead of 2-3 devices, another are same, but actually I'm not using properly. I'm using myself, and just people who have experience, physiotherapists, they show me for this pain or for this you need to use this program. I'm using, not even under control of real physiotherapist. Here, physiotherapy is very nice, modern, and people who working there are very educated. All of them, Ivan and Irena and Dragana. For me, they're very good specialists. I'm very happy work with them.
And you're very well versed or educated about stem cells. And would you recommend this treatment? I know it's too early to speak about results. Results should come in like a month or 6 months. Between that time frame, usually stem cells give some results. But on topic of that, what are you hoping for the most?
Actually, usually people when do treatment like my treatment, never mind stem cells or some other, they usually keep secret. Already, even before I was not 100% sure to going to come to the clinic, I already advertised my next stem cells therapy, and actually all of my friends all over the world, so many, all over the world, they know that I am here and taking this treatment. If I not believe for this treatment, I'm not going to come. For me, I'm first time meet real doctors. Okay, in the army I have some surgery, but this was something different. For 3 days was in army clinic 40 years ago, 42. But now most of my friends, they expecting my results. I expecting positive results. Actually, during the treatment, I'm very happy. All my friends here, nurse, doctors, everybody, I feel that like me. I don't know,
they do,
but I feel they like me. We become friends. Treatment was very easy, not painful, and now expecting the results.
The results, great. Well, let's hope that the results will come in a good surprise to all of us, and yeah, and to see you again, at least for a checkup or for more physiotherapy.
For sure, yeah. For physiotherapy, I'm going to do special maybe before next treatment, because I for sure come maybe end of this or beginning of next year, after 6-7 months. Depend of the, but I still have ready stem cell, which better to use. That means for sure it will come, and for sure because the physiotherapy, which Ivan actually making, is very professional.
Did you feel some improvement, like even a small improvement?
Now cannot say, but maybe because of even placebo effect, because expecting for sure I feel feel better in the knee and no any pain actually in the hips. This true. This true, but real results we need to see during the time.
Mr. Vladimir, thank you so much for making this testimonial interview with us, sir. Thank you
my
for
pleasure.
being always with a smile, with all the stuff, and being positive all around the clinic.